Hello sir, hello everyone. This is the finished output of my simple GUI calculator. Regarding with the colors, color green is my best friend's favorite color and blue is my favorite color. That's why I picked this color. As you can see, it is horizontally rectangular shape calculator. As you can see, I added a icon which is my profile and a calculator JPG for its name. So I added a background too, which is a mathematical equations. This design is inspired with a keyboard of a computer. Just like a keyboard, you can use all of your fingers efficiently. So I made this to mimic that kind of typing into this uh, calculator for more efficient and faster solving using one hand and most of the fingers. With just practice, you can master it just like typing on a keyboard. Here are sample outputs for sure to make sure my calculator is working. Equals 9. Another example, 81 multiplied by 9 equals 729. And let's try another button, this back button. Okay, and you can see it's working. Another one, as let's try the clear one. Okay, and that's all for my simple GUI calculator.